so tired. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're not hearing the noise from outside. We have large machines outside. They're working on a land just right behind our house, so I hope you couldn't hear them from here from this video. Anyway, good morning guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video for this channel. And I know that I have not been posting for quite a couple of weeks after my last Christmas video. I actually had a lot of videos planned for December, but I wasn't able to pursue them because I've been really busy this past month and up until now. But of course, I also want to continue my passion for creating videos, especially since I already have quite a small number of following on my channel, and I don't want to lose the subscribers. I don't want to lose the interest of my subscribers because I know they subscribed on my channel for a reason. I know you guys subscribed on my channel for a reason, so I want to continue making videos for this channel. I know most of you guys have already taken down your Christmas decors, but for this house, we still have our Christmas decors up, and this is going to be our project for today. So today we're going to take down all our Christmas decors, and I'm going to clean the house as well. After I'm done taking out all the Christmas decors, I'm going to clean our bathroom, but I will not be showing that in this video. If you want to see me how I clean my bathroom or our bathroom, you can watch the video, which I'll be linking down below or in the corner right up here. This is gonna be a long afternoon. Let's start taking the tree down first, and then after that we'll bring down the rest of our Christmas decors. Yes, join me guys in cleaning the house. Yes. Since we only have a tiny space in our living area, I had to push this large sofa chair to the side for me to be able to access the Christmas tree fully. I'm starting by untying the tree skirt, and I'll throw it in the washing machine later. A lot of the Christmas ornaments fell from the Christmas tree, like these right here. Now, before we continue with this cleaning process, I had to make sure that I'm listening to my favorite playlist on Spotify, although later on in the video, you'll hear Taylor Swift's Reputation concert on Netflix in the background. Now, I'm removing all the ornaments in this tree, and then I'll proceed with removing the Christmas lights after this. It's been my second year spending Christmas away from my family, but together with my husband. I feel like we should have this experience of spending Christmas with just the two of us, because we might never know, probably in a year or two, we'll have a little one with us, but at the same time, we both miss our families back in the Philippines, so we're a bit sad as well. I hope you guys have had an incredible Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve as well. Have you all taken down your Christmas decors yet? I know I'll probably be posting this way after the time I filmed it, so hopefully you guys have already taken down your decors because it's now February. What are you waiting for? Get your feet up and move it. Well, I do hope this video will serve as an inspiration or motivation for you guys if you haven't done the task of taking down your Christmas stuff. But seriously, it's now February. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, or was I just too late in posting this video? Now, this is where I keep all of my Christmas stuff. For now, I think I could fit everything in here. I hope. But I know I'll be needing another one of this container sometime in the future because I love decorating for Christmas, and I know I might add a little more to this collection. I kept all the original boxes of the Christmas ornaments because they're the perfect storage for them not to break easily. I'll start with folding the string lights properly. I've done this before, like last year. The trick is to carefully and adequately fold the string lights and make sure not to cut the wire or break the light. It takes a little while to fold it, but it's worth it when you're able to fit it perfectly inside its original box. I hope you can't hear Taylor Swift in the background, but before I keep these string lights, I want to test out first if it's working good, so that I would know by the end of this year if I can still use it or if I have to throw this away, because it won't make sense for me to keep this if it's not working anymore. So let's try if this is still working. This means that I can still keep this, and that, oh shoot, that I could use this for next year still. I've had this for 2 years now, and I'm happy that it's still perfectly fine. I bought this from Kmart at a very low price of, I think, $20 or less, and I'm happy that it's still working. This means I don't have to buy any string lights for next year or for this coming December. So yeah, let's keep this now. We have here the rest of the Christmas ornaments, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put them inside their original boxes. I'm gonna start with this box. So this is for this leaf garland. I'm carefully rolling the leaf garland, making sure it's loose so that I won't damage it. Plus, there's a lot of glitters on it, so I had to make sure as well that I don't lose the glitters. I will secure the box with a new tape while watching Taylor Swift on TV. I'm just obsessed with her, and I know most of us love her. We've got 2 down and more to go. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you do appreciate it, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. Let's help this video get recognized by the YouTube algorithm by liking or commenting on it. Your support helps this channel a lot, so please leave a comment and give this a thumbs up. I don't have the original bags for these pine cones since their packaging was not that sturdy enough. Instead, I grabbed a couple of Ziploc bags to store them. I took out all these 3 little fake succulents in a white pot because, as you all remembered, we replaced them with the little white houses on our kitchen bar/window. Now that I'm keeping these white houses, I'm going to display these fake succulents instead. I'm just quickly wiping them all with a microfiber cloth and Dettol disinfectant spray. To make sure that these little houses won't break in storage, I made sure that I kept the styrofoam to use it for storage. I'm removing the string lights on this little Christmas tree as well. The funny thing about these string lights was Dennis used to tell me back in early December not to turn on the string lights for this for a long time since they're battery operated and they might not last till Christmas Day. Of course, I didn't believe him because I wanted to feel the Christmas season inside our house, so I made sure that all of my string lights on both my Christmas trees were on once the nighttime comes. And what do you know? Days before the actual Christmas Day, it ran out of battery and we never got to replace its battery anymore. It was alright since the important thing is that the big tree has a working string light. And right over here, I'm finally stuffing all the items into this container. I then realized that I might not fit everything in here, especially all the larger items. It means I probably have a lot of Christmas stuff already. I will consider not buying any more Christmas stuff for December 2021, but we'll have to see how that will turn out in about 10 months. And lastly, I'm wiping the outside surface of the container before I keep it and not touch it again for about a year. Now, who told you that we're done for today? We still have this big Christmas tree left to keep. This took me a little while to keep since I have to twist all the branches one by one, and I have to say it wasn't fun, honestly. Once I'm done with it, I kept it in its original box, which is all torn and old and sad, by the way. I feel bad for it that I had to tape it all up to make sure it's fully secured. These are the last few items that I'm keeping, and they're all easy to store, but the problem is I still have to think about where to store them. Eventually, I kept them in our closet temporarily. By the way, guys, the command hooks which we used to stick on our wall did not damage the paints at all. I was so glad because we get to keep our bond for our rent whenever we decide to move out. So I'd recommend using command hooks to hang items on your wall, especially if you don't want to damage your wall or your paint, but want to decorate it. Now that we've finally kept everything, it's time to put the house back in order and start cleaning. I'm generally going to focus on the parts of the house which I get to clean only after a few months or so. It means I don't tend or clean these spots every day. I'm vacuuming the floor first, where the tree was, and then after this, I'm also going to vacuum the couches. I also decided to wipe the floor sill since I don't get to do this every day. I only do this every time I rearrange the furniture in the living room area, which is at least about twice a year. So whenever I have a chance like this, I never forget to do it. I don't do it that often since I might damage the paint on the wall. Remember, too much of anything is not good even when it comes to cleaning. I also decided to mop this part of the floor since I don't mop it regularly. I have a new mop now, hence I have a new process when it comes to mopping our floor. I dilute cleaning spray with water in a spray bottle. I love recycling spray bottles, by the way, hence the one that I'm using right now is an old spray bottle which has a different mixture inside, which I use solely for mopping the floor. Now I'm vacuuming this living room carpet and then I'm done. Well, I still have to clean our bathroom, but we're concluding this video now. Hey, you guys! Finally, I'm so tired. So finally, I'm done removing all the Christmas decors. I still have this command hook right here. I'm going to ask my husband to remove that. And yeah, so basically, we don't have any Christmas stuff left inside our house. That's it, we're finally done. Thank you so much, guys, if you've watched until this very part of the video. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos, please go to my channel and see all the other videos that I made this past few years, this past few months. All the Christmas videos that I made are also up. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for supporting this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel by clicking the red button down below, and all your comments and your likes are very much appreciated. If we have a lot of comments and likes in this video, it will help this video a lot to be recognized by the YouTube algorithm. So if you want to support this channel, please hit like and comment on my video, on this video, so that it'll be recommended more on other people's page. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be posting a lot more videos, this time once a week. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and have a great 2021 ahead of you. I hope this year will be better compared to last year. See ya! Bye!